बट मॉक्स देख देख के तो पता नहीं, कुछ लोगों के तो अंदर एक डर बैठ जाता है कि वहाँ पे अंदर कितना ग्रिल करते होंगे, और वहाँ पे ग्रिल वर्ड ही यूज़ नहीं है कहीं पर भी उस पूरे इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में। ऑलराइट, सो मैम आपका ऑप्शनल फिलोसफी था, so I hope it helped you in every stage of the exam?
Yeah, every stage, from starting from the essay, even many mains answer, GS answer, for example, the ethics, and then of course after in the interview, my interview was very philosophically based, because they saw that my optional is philosophy, so there were so many questions on opinions, on my favorite philosopher, how I reflect on it. So philosophy has helped me in every stage.
Hello everyone, let's welcome Shubhra ma'am. She has scored 204 rank this year in civil services, and we have Harsh Patel sir, 392.
Yes.
So let's have a small candid interaction where we should be talking about basic things, like when you go back in time and try to remember, like when did you start, how did you start, what was the motivation. So what would be your answer to this?
I made up my mind after 12th, during my graduations. My motivation was that I had a teacher in 11th and 12th, and he was a UPSC aspirant. So from him I learned about that there is something called UPSC exams. So from then on I started learning more things about it and studying, and after that I graduated from DU. So DU gives you an exposure of the UPSC.
Very true.
That is something which motivated me in the first place.
So the role model has been your 11th teacher.
I mean, he was the starting point, not
Alright.
per se the role model.
All right. So any role model in that case?
No, I haven't followed any role model. I was very much driven by my internal motivation.
That is more wonderful. And about you, sir?
Sir, I came to know about this exam. Like, I had always in mind that okay, someday I'll appear for this exam. But the main push factor was my disenchantment with engineering. So I didn't really enjoy what I studied. So in 2018, I thought, okay, I'll appear for this exam. And luckily that time, some of our seniors from our college, AIR won in 2017, Anudeep Durishetty sir, then later years, other toppers. So they kind of gave a push to start this journey. So that is how it began.
Oh, that's great. And ma'am, if I ask you the basic question, when we see the mock interviews by the candidates, and if you are already in the journey, you know that people share their transcripts. Mm-hmm. How different is the actual interview from the mock interviews that we see on YouTube or other places?
I think in the mock interview, the procedure tries to examine if you know things. But in the real interviews, they try to know your real personality. So they are going to ask such questions which would reflect what you personally think, how you personally are actually, and not focus on the knowledge basis. While in the mock interviews, the main focus is on the knowledge basis. So that is the main difference, I would say.
All right. According to you, sir?
Sir, I would agree with what Shubhra said, and I feel the original interview, it has a very natural settings. In the mock interviews, there are cameras around, there's lights around, so it kind of induces some kind of psychological effect that okay, cameras are looking around you. But in the actual interview, it's not so intense. It's the natural lightings, you are speaking. They are wanting to know you on a personal level.
What I believe very strongly is कि जो mock interviews हम देखते हैं, हम लोग भी mock interviews conduct करते हैं, but उनमें usually जो अप्रोच होता है वो ये दिखाया जा रहा होता है कि कितना इंटेंस हो सकता है, कितना सीरियस हो सकता है ये सब कुछ, जबकि एक्चुअल में वो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल फील करवाते हैं. व्हेन यू एंटर द रूम, दे ऑफर यू चेयर, दे आस्क यू टू हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर इन केस यू फील सो, एंड दे ऑलवेज टेल यू एट द वेरी स्टार्ट कि बी रिलैक्स, बी कंपोज्ड, एंड इट इज जस्ट एन इंटरेक्शन एंड नथिंग मोर. So this is something that is very beautiful about this entire UPSC interview personality test. But mocks देख देख के तो पता नहीं, कुछ लोगों के तो अंदर एक डर बैठ जाता है कि वहाँ पे अंदर कितना ग्रिल करते होंगे, और वहाँ पे ग्रिल वर्ड ही यूज़ नहीं है कहीं पर भी उस पूरे इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में. ऑलराइट, सो मैम आपका ऑप्शनल फिलोसफी था. So I hope it helped you in every stage of the exam?
Yeah, every stage, from starting from the essay, even many mains answer, GS answer, for example, the ethics. And then of course after in the interview, my interview was very philosophically based, because they saw that my optional is philosophy. So there were so many questions on opinions, on my favorite philosopher, how I reflect on it. So philosophy has helped me in every stage.
Chalo ma'am, let everyone know who is your favorite philosopher.
Okay, so in Indian philosophy, I really admire Jaina philosophy, and if we talk about the Western part, so there is existential philosophy, in which Sartre, Kierkegaard, they are renowned philosophers. I think these are the ones that I also mentioned in my interview.
Anything very specific about Jaina philosophy?
The whole perspective it gives about, like, not seeing the truth only from one side, that there can be many sides. So that is something which ring close to me.
Okay.
I mean, I felt that this is how the reality of the world is many a times.
Okay.
Which you-
Anikantwad.
Anikantwad. yeah.
Anikantwad,
Yeah.
yes. Anikantwad. Yeah. And sir, your optional subject?
Sociology, sir.
So, who is your favorite philosopher?
Sir, in sociology, I mean, it's very complex, but if I had to choose one of them, it would be Max Weber.
Max
So,
Weber. And the idea of prismatic personality that he gives.
yes, sir. And in a way, it resonates with what Shubhra said. Like, Max Weber was one sociologist who kind of, in a way, if we could put that Anikvad philosophy in sociology, that there could be multiple perspectives to view society, which is very complex in itself. So, it's kind of a middle path to view the society.
How strongly do you adhere to the ideas of Karl Marx?
So I haven't thought very much about it, but I mean the idea of socialism, the word itself, socialist word, is mentioned in our preamble as well. So that will.
I have heard somebody saying that it is not Marx who failed, it is the Marxist who failed Marx. You agree to this?
Yes, sir, that is true. I mean, a lot of thinkers have written about it, that the idea of Marx were very different from his defenders and his opposers. So I think it's more about the reaction to Marx's idea than the Marxist idea itself.
All right. So guys, इस तैयारी की एक ब्यूटी ये भी है कि तुम लोग खुद भी थोड़े थोड़े फिलोसफर हो जाते हो, थोड़े फिलोसफर्स को पढ़ लेते हो, उनके आइडियाज़ को अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हो, एंड देन योर पर्सनैलिटी ट्रांसफॉर्म्स. तो ये इस एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं करनी कि IAS ही बनना है. बहुत सारे लोग नहीं भी बनते हैं, बट अगर तैयारी अच्छे से कर लो तो लाइफ में फेल नहीं होते, ये पक्का है. कहीं ना कुछ लाइफ में एक अच्छा सेटलमेंट फॉर श्योर है, बट उसकी एक बहुत बेसिक सी कंडीशन है, प्री कंडीशन. तैयारी दिल से होनी चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेल, IAS may happen. If it won't happen, तो एक हरिवंश राय बच्चन ने बोला हुआ है, जो मन की हो तो अच्छा और जो ना हो तो उससे भी अच्छा. तो अगर वो तैयारी दिल से की होगी तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, और अगर तैयारी दिल से नहीं की, IAS तो नहीं बनोगे और कुछ भी नहीं बनोगे. तो तैयारी पे जोर लगाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, राइट? सो विद दिस वी वुड लाइक टू से थैंक्स टू बोथ, and we wish them a very rewarding career and looking forward to great officers with us. Right? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.